Hey guys, it's Buniquedoll. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a vlog for you guys. Steven surprised me with tickets to the Enchant Christmas in Arlington, Texas. And so this video is going to be all about our experience and our little road trip that we had. So if you guys want to see that, then please keep on watching.
Damn, it's good, man.
What did you get?
A ribeye steak, aged ribeye.
How many? 28 days aged.
Yeah.
He likes it like that.
Yeah.
It's apparently a lot better. I got chicken fried steak with mashed potatoes and corn and sweet tea. Okay, so we are all done. We ate all of our food. So we're gonna hit the road again, and we will probably be in Dallas in about how many minutes?
45 minutes.
45 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, we're at the hotel already, and I am doing my hair really quick because this morning I didn't have the chance to do it. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right now, just curls at the end. It's already 4 o'clock and the event starts at 4, so I'm trying to hurry. Someone's having a party. Such a pretty day here in Arlington. Oh my gosh, I love this song. So I was just getting on to Steven for not opening my door. He even gets inside of the car before me.
Oh,
Damn it, dude.
Gotta get out of here.
This is Six Flags. Look at those people right there on that ride. We should come here one day, babe.
Yeah, I never actually did this.
Although you're not really like a roller coaster guy.
I mean, I'll get on them, but close my eyes if I have to. I think it's in there.
You think so?
I read something about oh wait. Yeah, because I read something about it being outside, inside.
Wow. So pretty. You guys, look how pretty this is. Look, it's snowing. So cool. Why did you ask? Guys, we are inside a tree. It's starting to become nighttime and everything's just starting to look a lot more beautiful.
Are we back to the start?
I feel like I'm little, you know, like
Oh yeah.
that movie where like
Drink the kids.
yes, look at that. This is so pretty. We found a pony, guys. How many more do we have left?
5.
Let me see.
Well, these scratched on accident, so we only got that one, this one, and this one. So we still gotta find these 2 and these 3.
Oh, got it. Let's scratch out the pony. You guys, we found another one. The what? Where's the teddy bear though? the train. Okay guys, so we are done. We went through the whole park. We finally found the teddy bear and the duck. It's right there. And yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do.
Wanna go skate? Ice skate?
Yeah, we could.
Graham, look at me.
Oh shit, I fucking
Where did he live?
Oh my god, that's an epic film.
Yeah.
Lost an earring. Skate. So you guys, we're gonna. Oh, it's slippery. So we are done. We're gonna sit down on the chairs, kind of just look at the people and the lights. We're gonna go get something to eat because we are starving, and we figured that the food that they were selling in there was gonna be really pricey, so we was it? How much was your ice cream?
It was like $10.
Dang, it was pretty good though.
Yeah.
It was worth the $10. But I don't know, we're gonna try to find something good and cheap to eat, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Me and Steven got the mango tango. They are so good, guys. And we're still waiting for our plates. All Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we ended our night with a little dinner at a Mexican restaurant. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I honestly enjoyed this day so much. It was like so magical. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned for vlog number 2. Bye guys.